Manipur is witnessing yet another breakdown in law and order, with hundreds of people taking to the streets of Imphal Valley, trying to lay siege outside the private residences of elected MLAs. In fact, about half a dozen MLA houses have been vandalized or their personal vehicle torched. This is happening in Imphal city and in other parts of the valley region. Therefore, the state government has imposed curfew all over the Imphal Valley and some pockets in the hill areas as well. Internet has been shut down. This is to bring control over the tension which is erupting in Manipur once again. Now in the valley region, this tension is largely after the news spread about recovery of decomposed body from the border of the Assam and Mizoram in Jiribam district, where some bodies have been found, and there is an apprehension that these are the bodies of the missing people who are missing since the violence which took place earlier this week in Jiribam, where the 6 people are missing, where 3 of them are women and 3 of them are children, and therefore people have been asking accountability from the government. And now that there are apprehensions that these people are dead, so therefore people have taken to the streets. However, only autopsy and identification will give us certainty in terms of whether those body belongs are of those people or not. But people are very angry. They want also accountability from the government, from the elected representatives, apart from the fact that there have been extension of Armed Forces Special Power Act in 6 police station areas in Manipur recently, mostly in the valley region. However, it is not only in the valley, in the hill region, but the 10 bodies of the tribal militants who have been shot dead in the shootout with security forces in Jiribam have been airlifted from Silchar, which is on the border in Kachar district bordering Jiribam of Manipur, and taken to Churachandpur, from where last year ethnic violence had started. Now, when this handover was to take place, there were lathi charge between Kukizo volunteers there in Churachan, in Silchar, and Assam police, and there were stole peddling. So therefore, there was a spillover effect. But now, at this moment, where there are emotion charged among the Kukizo community over the shootout which has taken place in Jiribam, in the valley region, after this incident of recovery of dead body, it seems that the public and the mob is trying to target their elected representatives, and this is a new challenge that the state government and the machinery there, the central forces which are present in a huge number, are facing at this moment. And there have been pitched battles between the protesters and the security forces. A mob is trying to lay siege of different areas, and it seems therefore that once again the government is trying to bring the situation under control. But it seems that now this is a new phase of escalation of violence in terms of breakdown of law and order in Manipur.